Want to retire sooner without needing millions? The truth is, you don't have to wait until 65 or save forever. With a few smart moves, you can cut your costs, boost your savings, and buy back your freedom. Let me show you how it's done. Watch these 5 helpful tips by clicking the link below. Step 1, define your target. First, decide what enough looks like. Do you really need $80,000 a year to be happy, or could you live comfortably on $40,000 or $50,000? Once you know your target lifestyle, you can calculate how much you actually need saved. Step 2, cut big expenses. Most people think retirement is about earning more, but really it's about spending less. Downsizing your home, paying off debt, and living on your projected retirement budget today will save you thousands, and it'll get you used to living leaner now. Step 3, maximize your savings. Next, turbocharge your savings by maxing out your 401k, Roth IRA, or HSA if you qualify. Even $500 a month invested in low-cost index funds can grow to over $600,000 in 30 years. $1,000 a month can grow to $1.2 million. Step 4, build flexibility. You don't have to go from full-time work to zero income overnight. Part-time work or a side hustle earning even $12,000 a year means you can retire with $300,000 less in your portfolio. That's huge. Step 5, withdrawal and mindset. Withdrawing just 3 to 3.5% of your savings each year is considered safe. So if you can live on $40,000, you'll need about $1.1 million. But again, if you add part-time income, you can hit your goal with closer to $800,000. The key is this: retiring sooner isn't about having the biggest number in your bank account. It's about defining enough, cutting the fat, and building flexibility. You'll trade stuff you don't really need for the freedom you do. If you found this helpful, hit like and share with someone dreaming of an earlier retirement, and follow us for more tips on your financial freedom. If you're preparing for retirement, schedule a complimentary appointment with a Brookstone financial advisor. You can visit us online at brookstonefinancial.com